going on, everyone? Got a 2021 CX-30. This is how you're gonna replace a remote battery. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna pry off this panel on the remote that has the Mazda sign on it. Okay, see, one side doesn't have the Mazda sign. This one does. Use a small flathead screwdriver and just go in here at the bottom and just pop it right off. Okay, the cover will come right off. So the battery is right in here, and we're gonna pop off this cover here. Small flathead screwdriver, pop it right off, and here's the battery. Okay, use a small flathead screwdriver again, pry this guy out, get a new battery. I'll show you what size the battery is. The battery is a CR2032. You need a battery, check the description box. I got a link in there to take it to Amazon where you get a battery for like $1. But positive sign would be facing out towards us. Stick it back in the remote just like this. Click it in here. We got to put this guy back on here. We just slide it in this little slot here, and then just push this guy back on. You hear it click. Then you get the back cover. Notice on the bottom of the remote or the top of the remote, there's a slot right here, and that is for this piece right here. Okay, so you can't put this on wrong, pretty much, because these have to go together like this, and you just snap it all together, and we're done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you like, comment, subscribe.